Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. It's been a long ass time since I posted a long format video. What's everyone been up to? Me? I'm back in New Zealand, chilling, having fun, enjoying time with my family. Because I think once we go again, I won't be coming back. But that's not to be all doom and gloom. I think that's just what it is. And it's been quite fun reconnecting with them. It's been 4 years since I've been back and spending so much time with them as well. Antonia's really excelling. She's found a salon and a good group of girls to learn from and work with. And with me doing this over the last 4 or 5 years, following my passion, I'm happy and proud that Antonia's got to a point where she's at that she can pursue it herself. So, massive shout out to her, and she's right next to me. We're going to the Lunar New Year feast that we do yearly. So I think this will be our third one in a row. We're going to the same restaurant. It's fun, it's killer, it's elite. We're just going to have a blast like always. One thing about coming back to New Zealand, like we're in the middle of summer, mid-Feb, and we've had up like close to 200-kilometer gusts, flights cancelled, trees getting ripped out of the ground, loads of flooding, schools closed, people can't go to work. It hasn't been all the time, but I mean it's like once in a 100-year storm situation going on, and I can't say it's been fun, but it's been interesting. It hasn't really felt like summer as well. I think being in Malaysia and then Japan, it was so hot, and I don't think we've had one proper day like that throughout this entire summer. Not to complain, just is what it is. Global warming, where's it at? We're coming into the next ice age. What else has been going on? I still got heaps of content, not heaps, I still got content from Malaysia and Japan that when I get to it, I will post that up and that will be fun. I actually can't wait. Every time I talk to someone else or other people about our trip to Japan or Malaysia and how fun it is, these wipers are playing up real bad. And there's just so much joy associated with that time. And honest on my life, like I truly needed to get out. I think there was too much bullshit that stacked on top of each other that I needed even more of a hard reset. So if you've been following me for a while, you would have known I had dreadlocks all the way down to my lower back. Had to shave them off, needed a full reset, and even more bullshit stacked on top to the point where I think I actually needed to leave the country. And it just is what it is. I've come back and I feel great, rejuvenated, and the main thing that I can take from this is I think 99% of care has evaporated from my body. Like I don't really care about anything or much at all anymore. And I want to thank all of my supporters, all of the viewers, everyone liking the video, part of the membership, just supporting me through this time. It doesn't matter if you like the video or not. It's just good. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm just absorbing your energy, all the good vibes, all the negative vibes. I don't know. It goes out the other hole. It is quite different being back in like suburbia, whereas we were right on the beach previously. The closest town, like 15 minutes away, was just surrounded by old people, like retirement heirs, and it just wasn't our vibes. Like we're working professionals in our mid to late 20s, and to be around so many retired people was just like the gap was too big. And after seeing Antonia really excel, I'm not going to get too motivational, but if you want to do anything or create content or I don't know, follow your dreams, your passion, do it. You can figure out everything else later, and it doesn't matter. And I actually want to share, after the 4 months we spent out of the country coming back, it's real tough out here. A lot of people are struggling, and that's not really nice to see, but it's just how the world is set up. Oh, indicating. And I feel like posting content again, I've not been like recharged, but there is a little bit of like a deeper feeling there where if I post what I want to post and have fun doing it, it will make people feel happier or a little bit of positivity in their lives. So I mean, that's cool. And I think this is the biggest takeaway. So spending 4 months out of the country, coming back, I seen Andrew Zimmerman post like a TikTok or an Instagram reel. And if you don't know who he was like a food and travel host on the Food Channel way back when. And so he used to do Bizarre Foods, Andrew Zimmerman, Bizarre Foods. And there was also Anthony Bourdain, No Reservations, blah, blah, blah. He was a part of like peak food and travel. He said food and travel TV is coming back. Not YouTube, but like the TV. And so from me and what I want to do, I've kind of figured out a little bit deeper of what I want to do. Like just kind of like mindlessly posting content or following trends is so boring. And I don't necessarily align with that. And it's quite difficult for me to do because it's just copy paste boring. I would love to be a host for food and travel TV or content. I think I've invested so much in my personality, my character, that I got the guts to do it. And yeah, massive shout out to everyone filming content because it does take a lot and people don't realize how much it takes, but it's very time consuming. So if you ever get to the point where you are getting paid for it, really give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. And the people supporting and watching, you will never be able to do it without them. So at any point in time, always give them thanks. And thank you guys for watching. I'll pull you out when we are at the restaurant. Just give a little pan of what we're getting. I feel like some crispy pork, some savory vibes. And yeah, have a happy Lunar New Year, and I'll catch you again. You ready for some good food?
Hell yeah!
Super wet. The wind not really that crazy. We've come to the promised land. 3rd year in a row. After you. While it's still sizzling, Sizzling beef. We got this last time, 2 years ago. Winner. Can't wait for the next ones to come. Say what you need to say, girl.
I think she's bringing her finger.
Antonia loves seeing other people in pain. She finds it like the funniest thing ever. Sizzling hot plate? Yeah, that's fucking hot. That's boiling.
Came and touched me. My hand was like over here, and I was like, oh, yeah, no wonder.
$100 if she pretends to be the flaming horse and gallop all over the restaurant.
We messed up with her head.
I messed up in the head. $200. That's your year, Tiger. $300. No? We got the same flavor as last year, which is pretty cool. Super hungry. And we got some really delicious food that I can't wait to show you. We got our rice. Our bucket of rice. Look at this.
It's bigger than my head.
It's bigger than your head? Go hold it up to your head. We're gonna eat it all, okay? We don't get to leave until we eat it all. Hope you're hungry.
Yeah.
That's the year of the flaming horse.
We're going to be sprinting so we can push all this way.
So we need to have all this energy.
Wow, thank you so much. It is pink tea.
This is why I like Dragon Ball Z.
What the hell?
Dragon Ball Z. Goku would always eat heaps after solo training. Rice bowls like this. And it made me want to eat lots. Here you go.
Okay.
And that's why, just like the sumos, martial artists, Z fighters, you have to eat lots after a hard training session. That's about half the rice done. They always be giving us forks and spoons and stuff, eh?
Yeah.
You go to Asian restaurants, Japanese restaurants.
Well, we just definitely don't look like it.
We don't look like them. We eat like them.
Yeah.
First bite, there you go. Oh, it's steaming. Wow. Yum. That's so good.
So tender, right?
Yeah. They're chanting.
Yeah.
What are they saying?
Oh wow. They're mixing a salad.
Oh. Prosperity mixing. Yay! Get the phone out because we got the crispy pork joint. It smells a little bit spicy. I'm excited. It looks good. Humany for sure. Okay, cheers. Oh, freaking yum, babe. Yeah, real good. Wow. Mmm. That's addicting. Crispy, spicy, fragrant, cuminy. Go, go, go. Yummy. Flavored with cumin, it's fragrant, it's delicious, salty, fatty. Not as good as Emmy's though, but super tasty nonetheless. Okay. Okay, cheers. Yum. That was a good shout, eh?
Yeah.
We're tossing it between the crispy pork joint or the 3-meat platter, which has barbecue duck, roast barbecue pork, barbecue pork and roast pork, crispy pork. But we chose something a little bit salty, fatty and savory, a little bit more inclined to that. And with the ginger beef spring onion combo, it's refreshing and delicious, eh? So if you don't know what a pork joint is, it's pretty much the knuckle. So you got the bone here. Everything looks like it's been probably like cooked until tender in some broth or stock or water, and then just deep fried. Everything is super crispy. You got the chilies on there that makes it moorish. Cumin, it's probably fried in. This is our year, the year of the flaming horse. This is our year. Too much. What was last year? The year of the bullshit, eh? It was like year of the snake. The snake. I think it was a snake. Yeah, lots of snaky shit happening. So I think the year of the flaming horse, we're just gonna be on fire sprinting. Living off passion, white monsters and cigarettes. We've got the car light on, so it's currently a fish tank, fish globe, whatever it is. Anyway, just wrapping up the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to hit a like, share it to your friends, sub up. Our dinner was pretty close to perfect. Yeah, it was busy. It's New Year. It's to be expected. They were understaffed. We got our crispy pork joint, which I think was the star. The sizzling beef with ginger and spring onion was such a beautiful combo to pair. A shit ton of rice and good tea. The best company, and that's all I could ask for going into the new year. So all the love, prosperity, fertility, and abundance to you watching. And I'll get the rest of my content out. Malaysia, as well as Japan. I'll catch you again. Thanks for watching.